Construction software combines scheduling, job costing, documents, daily reports, and team communication in one place, while spreadsheets require you to manage each of those tasks manually. If you're running more than a handful of active jobs, that difference can save hours every week. By the end of this video, you'll know when spreadsheets are still enough, when construction software becomes worth the cost, and how to decide which option fits your business. Here's the direct answer. If you're managing only a few projects with a small team, spreadsheets can still work well. They're familiar, flexible, and don't require new software subscriptions. Many contractors use them successfully for estimating, material tracking, and basic budgets. The problem starts when your business grows. As more employees, subcontractors, and customers become involved, multiple spreadsheet versions begin circulating. One person updates a file while someone else works from an older copy. That creates mistakes, missed deadlines, and confusion about which information is current. Construction software is designed to solve exactly that problem. Instead of storing schedules in one file, estimates in another, and job notes in text messages, everything stays connected. Project managers, office staff, and field crews can access the same job information from their computers or mobile devices. When someone updates a schedule or uploads a document, everyone sees the latest version. Another advantage is automation. Many construction platforms can generate invoices, track change orders, organize project documents, and collect daily field reports without requiring manual spreadsheet updates. That reduces repetitive administrative work and makes it easier to review project progress. There are trade-offs though. Construction software has subscription costs and requires time for setup and employee training. If your team isn't willing to use the system consistently, the software won't deliver its full value. A well-maintained spreadsheet is still better than expensive software that nobody updates. So when is switching worth it? If you're spending too much time copying data between spreadsheets, searching for project files, or answering questions that could be solved with shared information, you've probably reached the point where construction software makes sense. If your projects are simple and your workflow is still easy to manage, spreadsheets may continue meeting your needs. The decision isn't really about replacing spreadsheets. It's about reducing manual work as your business becomes more complex. The key takeaway is simple. Spreadsheets are excellent for smaller operations. Construction software becomes more valuable as projects, employees, and administrative tasks increase. Choose the tool that matches your current workload, not the one you hope to need years from now. If this comparison helped you decide, like the video and subscribe for more practical software comparisons.